Hello everyone, welcome to Aanvii Hearing. Today I'm going to talk about some top 5 reasons to schedule a hearing test today. Hearing is an integral part of our daily lives, influencing how we connect with loved ones and engage with the world around us. In India, approximately 63 million people suffer from significant auditory impairment. Despite this, many individuals overlook the importance of regular hearing assessments. Here are 5 compelling reasons to prioritize a hearing test. Strengthen family bonds. Difficulty in hearing can lead to misunderstandings and frustration within families. For instance, not being able to hear your grandchildren clearly can create a sense of disconnect. Addressing hearing issues ensures you remain an active participant in family conversations, fostering stronger relationships. Enhance social interactions. Struggling to hear in social settings can lead to withdrawal and isolation. By identifying and addressing hearing challenges early, you can continue to enjoy gatherings, maintain friendships, and participate confidently in community activities. Boost workplace productivity. Clear communication is vital in professional settings. Unaddressed hearing loss can lead to misunderstandings, decreased efficiency, and missed opportunities. A hearing test can identify issues that, when addressed, can enhance your performance and career prospects. Safeguard cognitive health. Emerging research indicates a link between hearing loss and cognitive decline. Addressing hearing impairments early may reduce the risk of related complications, contributing to overall mental well-being. Proactive health management. Regular hearing assessments are a proactive approach to health, much like routine vision tests or dental checkups. Early detection of hearing issues allows for timely interventions, potentially preventing further deterioration. Take the first step with Aanvii Hearing. Book a free hearing test and trial at Aanvii Hearing. At Aanvii Hearing, we are committed to enhancing your quality of life through optimal hearing health. Our team of experts offers comprehensive hearing evaluations and personalized solutions tailored to your needs. Don't wait for noticeable symptoms. Proactive care is key. Schedule your hearing test today and call us at 9658395839 or visit www.aanvihearing.com and embrace the sounds of life with clarity.